Hi, and welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll answer two important questions for eBay sellers. Can you block a buyer on eBay? What happens after you block someone on eBay? Let's get straight into it. Can you block a buyer on eBay? Yes, absolutely. eBay allows you to block specific buyers to protect your business. You can do this from the official eBay Blocked Bidder List tool. Just go to eBay BMGT Buyer Requirements page as shown here. Here, you can paste the username or email of the buyer you want to block. Once blocked, that buyer cannot bid on, purchase, or message you through your listings. What happens when you block a buyer on eBay? Here's what exactly happens when you block someone. The blocked buyer cannot buy your products. They cannot place bids on your auctions. They won't be able to send messages related to your items. They won't see any notification that they're blocked. It happens silently. However, block past transactions. If they already bought something, you still need to fulfill or cancel that order separately. Bonus tip: customize who can buy from you. eBay also allows buyer requirements where you can auto-block buyers who have unpaid item cases, live outside your shipping zone, have a low feedback score. Go to your seller account, site preferences, buyer requirements to configure this. What blocking doesn't do? Blocking doesn't erase past feedback from that buyer, remove existing messages or disputes, cancel a transaction that's already been processed. It's just a future-facing block. So we conclude, blocking a buyer is a powerful tool on eBay, especially if someone has been abusive, leaves unfair feedback, or repeatedly cancels orders. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and check the description for links to more seller tools and tutorials. Drop a comment below if you've ever had to block a buyer. I'd love to hear your story.